Uh, Assalamu alaikum, my very respectable, very honorable, and very dear student. Yesterday we were talking about uh, kinesics, but unfortunately there was some net issue, and we could not continue with the same topic. So today I will deliver the lecture again on kinesics. But if you remember, मैंने आपसे कहा था ना what is meant by kinesics. But whatever the movement of your body, your arms, your eyes, your head, your forehead, and all the body organs, that's called kinesis. And what is the origin of the word? It is kinesis, movement, harkat beta. And this is called the study of the arm, body, and face movement. According to the Webster Dictionary, it is the study of the relationship between non-linguistic body, motions, and communication. समझ रहे? Non-linguistic body. पूछो. दोनों मजबूत हुए ना खराबी. One is linguistics. In the linguistic, I'm using words, but in the non-linguistics, I'm using my symbols. The most well-known non-verbal form of communication, kinesics, it is called the very important and the core of non-verbal communication. Now see, what kind of concepts are here available with us? बेटा ये सारे हमारे पास जो है ना ये कुछ concepts है देख रहे हो बेटा. So the first one is called emblems, the second is called illustrator, the third one is called effect display, the fourth one is called regulators, and the sixth one is called postures, and the seventh word is called gestures. बेटा ये सारे seven जो है ना we will study in the kinesics. We study all these different seven parts, and it is important for the student to know about it. As emblem, for example, from the MCQs, a question can be set in the examination for you. तो बेटा ये emblems में आपकी पूरी body language होती है. बेटा if you see in this diagram, look at this person. देखो बेटा, he's having something in his hand and he's striking his fist with a rock. And when this situation occurs when we are extremely angry, and look at this one in our society, you can guess it. Look at fear. This person is looking behind and trying to move ahead, and look, now he is pushing back himself as it is fear. And the third one, the flee away, and he's you can say that the fleeing from the situation and run away from that place. So it is also show fear. Now see, both the hands are in air, and look at this one, extreme joy, all this frustration देख रहे बेटा आपको यहाँ से feel हो रहा है, and pensive mood when you are doing nothing and you are just contemplating on something, and when you are puzzled, look. So these are the different, and these symbols are giving their own meaning in our society. Now we come toward the topic emblem. What is emblem? Look, this is the gestures which you are making with your hands only, not arms, where I am just talking about your fingers. समझ रहे बेटा? So these are called signs. So look, all of them, some of them are very much known to us, like this one, like this one, like this one, indication, and love waving your hand, and fantastic. And so this one, when you are not happy with someone, disliking something, and all these are having their own meaning in our society, in our culture. This is called emblem. What is meant by, if somebody asks you what is meant by emblem, where you are communicating with your fingers and you are using not your arms but you are using your hands, so that is called emblem. Look at this one beta. Movements which have a direct verbal translation, generally a word phrase can be still or in motion, vary within culture. Example, handshake, shaking a fist at someone. हाँ, हाँ. Sabi niyo, pagkiri. हाँ, हाँ. A smile, a frown. बेटा आप वेट करिए, मैं 1 मिनट में थोड़ा सा बस एक मिनट लेक्चर से जाना नहीं है, ठीक? और का स्पोर्ट्स का वर्क करता है। वो तो क्या लेक्चर पूरे सारा पूरा बोलेगा सारा पूरा
साधु
So handshake, shaking a fist at someone, a smile, a frown, they are not part of formal sign symbol like a. देखो बेटा जानते हैं अमेरिकन सिंबल या देखो बेटा ये अमेरिकन सिग्नल लैंग्वेज एसिल तकरीबन बेटा आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, तो बेटा इसका अपना एक स्कूल है, उस स्कूल ने कुछ मेथड्स बनाए हैं ना कि हम इसको, लेकिन बेटा अभी तक मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, दुनिया में कोई ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूशन नहीं है जो ये क्लेम कर सके कि हम स्टूडेंट्स को नॉन वर्बली गाइड करते हैं। देखो बेटा ये नेचुरल चीजें होती है, अनकॉन्शियस होती है, लेकिन आपके समझाने के लिए हम इसको कर रहे हैं बेटा, आप खुद से कर सकते हैं। एम्बलम इतना समझो क्या होते हैं। when you are waving your hands, so the what is the role of your fingers and your arms, your hands, that is called emblem. ठीक है बच्चे। इलस्ट्रेटर बेटा क्या होता है? इलस्ट्रेटर बेटा क्या है? when you are talking and along you are talking, you are moving your hands during your lecture. If you have ever seen your teacher, what they are doing, they are moving their hands and they are heading. तो बेटा वो जो मूवमेंट देते हैं अपने हैंड्स को, तो वो उसके लेक्चर को थोड़ा सा क्या कर देते हैं, थोड़ा सा एक्टिवेट कर देते हैं। वो मोनोटोन नहीं होता, वो थोड़ा सा वो आप ये समझे कि इट यू कैन गेट अ लॉट ऑफ fluctuation, ups and downs in the lecture. You see rise and fall in the sound intonation. So gesture which accompany words to illustrate a verbal message. No meaning on themselves serve and function emphasis, involuntary and seemingly natural. Example, two palms held up signify I don't know. Wagging a finger while making a point, rolling one's eye in disbelief. आप आई के साथ क्या करते हैं? देखो बेटे, से पहले देखो बेटे ये I don't know what you say. बेटे इसको देखो, look there. आप देख रहे हैं, look what you say, I don't know. So all these are when you are getting amazed. ठीक है बच्चे, इससे तो युवा पूरा बस गया. So this का illustrator. Look, but adapters क्या है? Adapters, your response to situation, that is called adapter. Your adapters are behavioral adoption in response to certain situation, used to relieve tension and believed to be associated with negative feelings. Can be targeted towards self, object, or others. Self includes scratching, twirling hair, and some manifest internally. Coughs or throat clearing, adjusting uncomfortable glasses, or represent a psychological need such as biting fingernails. When nervous, adapters are more likely to be restrained in public places. बेटा कवर करो। अब इसका मतलब क्या है? इतना शुभ इसको बेटा एडाप्टर्स क्या होते हैं? दिस इज द वेरी अनकॉन्शियस, बेटा इस डेफिनेशन को छोड़कर अपना डेफिनेशन मेरा सुन ले। एडाप्टर्स क्या होते हैं? दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ अनकॉन्शियस रिस्पॉन्ड व्हिच यू आर गिविंग टू सर्टेन सिचुएशन. You are trying to hide your emotions, but when you get blush, the receiver get a message about you that now you are getting ashamed and blushed. When you see a person and he's twirling his hair, so you say that this person is in some problem and he's confused that why he's doing this. The other person you see in this picture, that he's biting his nails, so what you guess about this person, that this person is having some problem. Same is the case with this person. Look at this person, he is a kind of situation apprehension, a kind of situation in which he is not feeling easy. So बेटे देख रहे ये सारे के सारे जो है, look this person is trying to conceal or hide his feelings. तो बेटा ये adapters होते हैं. Adapters unconscious होते हैं और ये किसी बंदे का response होता है to certain situation of happiness, sadness and when he's amazed. Adapters देखो बेटा, object adapters include tapping a pencil. देखो बेटा एक object adapters होते हैं, ठीक है बच्ची। एक बेटा क्या मतलब, आप देखो बेटा एक टेबल पे बैठे देख रहे ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे हैं ना, सो ड्रमिंग ऑन फिंगर्स, एडजस्टिंग ऑन क्लॉथिंग, कभी कपड़ों को हाथ, प्लेइंग विद ज्वेलरी, टैपिंग अ पेंसिल, हाथ में पेंसिल है उसके साथ टक टक कर रहे हैं, तो बेटे एडाप्टर्स होते हैं। जब स्टूडेंट टेस्ट में होता है आप उसको देख ले, कभी वो एक स्टूडेंट जो है ना हियर ट्विरलिंग कर लेगा, दूसरा स्क्रैचिंग करेगा, दूसरा अपने कानों को खींचेगा और अपने फोरहेड को रबिंग करेगा। ये बेटा सारे के सारे क्या होते हैं? दीज आर कॉल्ड एडाप्टर्स। अब देखो बेटा इफेक्ट डिस्प्ले क्या है? इट इज द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ योर इमोशंस थ्रू फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन। बेटा उसमें कुछ और था, यहाँ पर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस है, ठीक है बच्ची। आगे दे रेगुलेटर्स क्या है बेटा? रेगुलेटर्स द रिस्पॉन्स, ठीक है बच्ची। अब ये क्या रेगुलेटर्स ड्यूरिंग द लेक्चर? रेगुलेटर्स क्या है बेटा? व्हाट इज योर रिस्पॉन्स टू द गिवन लेक्चर to the situation, to the person whom you are listening. तो बेटा इसको रेगुलेटर्स कहते हैं। एक एक चीज को देखते जाओ। देखो रेगुलेट द ebb and flow of conversation। ये अब की क्या करता है, ebb and flow को की जो है ना कन्वर्सेशन को कर रहा होता है। आगे जाए, पोस्चर्स बेटा जानते हैं, लुक these are the postures। क्या होते हैं, the way you are sitting, the way you are standing, इसको बेटा postures कहते हैं। look at these two people, they are sitting extremely comfortable during their lecture and during their interviews। if this person is like this, so it is never ever like this, very poor posture it is called। this is a good posture and it is also very poor posture। so posture क्या होता है, the way you sit, the way you stand, that is called posture। और ये gait है, expression related to posture, gait। grow a spine, walking with a spring in your step, stand up for yourself, stand up straight, hold your head high, don't slouch, stooping nahi karna, stand still। in western culture, in upright yet relaxed body posture associated with confidence, positive high self esteem। बेटा ये हमारे यहाँ भी है, बंदा बिल्कुल सीधा सीधा खड़ा हुआ है, अपराइट है, रिलैक्स है, बॉडी पोस्चर का बिल्कुल इरेक्टेड है, और उसमें उसमें कोई स्टूपिंग नहीं है, झुकाव नहीं है, हम कहते हैं दिस पर्सन लेवल कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इज एक्सट्रीमली हाई। इंटरप्रेटिंग पोस्चर, देख बेटा इससे हम इंटरप्रेटिंग कहते हैं। what you look at this person sitting with great confidence level and she's getting very much amazed। now see what is the condition of this one। देख रहे हैं बेटा, ये सारे के सारे आपके सामने ये पोस्चर्स हैं। अब एक बार एक एक चीज को देखो। एम्ब्लेम क्या है, इट इज द सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस। इलस्ट्रेटर्स आर क्या है, it make your message more and more stronger। and what is effect display, it shows your emotion। regulator control the flow and pace of communication। adapter release physical and emotional tension। adapter की वजह से आप ये रिलीज करते हैं। kinesics behaviors are an important part of nonverbal communication। body movements convey information, though interpretations vary by culture, as many movements are carried out at a subconscious or at least a low awareness level। kinetic movements carry a significant risk of being misinterpreted in intercultural communication situation। देखिए बेटा ये keep calm and ask no question, no question please। देख रहे बेटा ये बस just non verbal है ना, for the sake of fun है। तो बेटा this is the lecture about your kinesics।